So in this Smart Home Expo, we are exhibiting BAS-IP products, Wisoni products, and Optex products. So you can see we displayed here uh, BAS-IP products. So you can see BAS-IP is the well known for video intercom solutions, and BAS-IP have a wide range of product portfolio. Like you can see, we are displaying multiple types of outdoor panels. Like this is our face recognitions outdoor panels. It's come with the black, gold, and silver colors. This is the touch-free solution of BAS-IP. So this is again a beautiful outdoor unit. It's come with the 3 color options. It's come with the flush mounting device and surface mounting options. This is again a beautiful outdoor panel of BAS-IP with button options, with engrave options. It's come with the 2 color options, gold, black, and silver. So this is our basic outdoor panels. All the outdoors are IP65s, and we can show the indoor devices also. So this is our newly launched model. It can be mounted horizontally, it can be mounted vertically. So it's come with the 2 color options, black and gold. This is our unique indoor panels. It can be mount flush mount, it can be wall mount also possible. It's come with the Android platform, so you can use as a multi functions. You can view any third party camera on a quad splitter. Camera tour is also possible. You can use as a digital photo frame. You can download any third party applications like automation control. You can view YouTube on a as an entertainment purpose. Like you can see, this is YouTube applications. One more beautiful features of BAS-IP is elevator calling. You can call the lift. So this is elevator module of BAS-IP. So it can use for the elevator integration purpose. This is audio handset. It will use for the intercom solutions and door unlocking. This is our guard panel. You can see the beautiful guard panel. You can view up to 1000 camera on a guard phone screen. You can see lift calling is also there. You can call the lift from guard phone also. So this is BAS-IP portfolio. Thank you.